think walking away from a real estate deal in Ontario means you lose a deposit. Not always. Sometimes you pay way more. So here's a real case from Ontario, Wynn versus Kentriss in 2024. A buyer agreed to purchase a home for 1.85 million. Everything was signed, conditions met. Closing day comes. So what does the seller do? They relist the property and eventually sell it, but this time for $300,000 less than the original agreement. What happened next? The seller said, no problem. You're now responsible for the loss. They took the buyer to court and the judge agreed. The buyer wasn't just on the hook for the loss of $370K. The court also ordered them to pay the price difference of $370,000, the carrying costs, which included tax, interest, utilities, insurance, while the home sat on the market waiting, and the legal costs tied to the failed deal total hundreds of thousands of dollars, far beyond just losing the deposit. But wait, the buyer tried to fight back. They argued the seller should have done more, like offering a vendor take back mortgage to help attract new buyers. The court said no. The seller acted reasonably. They marketed the property. They didn't have to bend over backwards to help the buyer who backed out. So if you sign an agreement of purchase and sale in Ontario and then walk away, it's just not, well, the deposit is gone. Courts can and do order buyers to pay the price drops, carrying costs, legal fees, and sometimes even more. So before you walk away from a firm real estate deal in Ontario, talk to your lawyer and do the math, because in this case, walking away costs more than closing.